that Donald Trump is likely to announce new steel and aluminium tariffs today, and which could have importers to pay 25% on top of the existing steel and aluminium tariffs already. What does it mean for Indian exporters, Indian metal companies, and what should investors really understand from here? This was the space that was outperforming on Friday, but again, this tariff news, do you think that can be another dampener? This space has already been very, very volatile.
Yeah, yeah. So definitely, I mean, to directly, none of the companies gets impacted because India is not exporting to US in a meaningful way. But indirectly, I think Tata Steel and Hindalco will have a problem out there because Hindalco subsidiary Novelis and Novelis both are in US, and this import tariff coming into play, and they are more into recycling of aluminum form. I mean, alumina to aluminum kind of a thing for cans and all. Their subsidies in US produce, and their sourcing of that raw material can get expensive. So that is one area where they can come into a play. Even the scrap which Dalco sources will become expensive because of I mean the raw material products are getting on the original count will get expensive. So that one area, and Tata Steel through its exposure of European subsidy will again come into a problem because they primarily supply their output to US. So these two companies can be impacted, but for domestic manufacturing steel companies like Jindal Steel and Power, JSW Steel is unaffected by these measures. So any price hike in the international scene will give them a little bit of elbow room to have our domestic prices also going up. So that will be beneficial for these companies. So again, as we initially discussed, you have to be a stock picker here. Within the same sector, you can have divergent plays playing out for the type of exposure a company is taking. So very careful and cautious here. This year is likely to be for investing into equities.